The Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Now we will discuss the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971. Total sections in this act are 4. Short title and extent: Insults to Indian national flag and Constitution of India. Prevention of singing of Indian national anthem. Enhanced penalty on second and subsequent convictions. Short title and extent: the name of this act is Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971. It extends to the whole of India. Insults to Indian national flag and Constitution of India. Whoever in any public place or in any other place within public view burns, mutilates, defaces, defiles, disfigures, destroys, tramples upon, or otherwise shows disrespect to or brings into contempt, whether by words, either spoken or written, or by acts, the Indian national flag or the Constitution of India or any part thereof, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may be extended to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. Explanation 1. Comments expressing disapprobation or criticism of the Constitution or of the Indian national flag or of any measures of the government with a view to obtain an amendment of the Constitution of India or an alteration of the Indian national flag by lawful means do not constitute an offence under this section. Explanation 2. The expression Indian national flag includes any picture, painting, drawing or photograph or other visible representation of the Indian national flag or of any part or parts thereof, made of any substance or represented on any substance. Explanation 3. The expression public place means any place intended for use by or accessible to the public and includes any public conveyance. That disrespect to the Indian national flag means and includes a gross affront or indignity offered to the Indian national flag, or dipping the Indian national flag in a salute to any person or thing, or flying the Indian national flag at a half-mast, except on the occasion on which the Indian national flag is flown at half-mast on public buildings in accordance with the instructions issued by the government. Using the Indian national flag as a drapery in any form whatsoever, except in state funerals or armed forces or other paramilitary forces funerals. Using the Indian national flag as a portion of costume, uniform or accessory of any description which is worn below the waist of any person, by embroidering or printing it on cushions, handkerchief, napkins, undergarments or any dress material, or putting any kind of inscription upon the Indian national flag, or using the Indian national flag as a receptacle for the receiving, delivering or carrying anything except flower petals from the Indian national flag is unfurled as part of celebrations on special occasions including the Republic Day or the Independence Day, or using the Indian national flag as covering for a statue or a monument or a speaker's desk or speaker's platform, or allowing the Indian national flag to touch the ground or the floor or tread in water intentionally, or draping the Indian national flag over the hood, top and sides or back or on a vehicle, train, boat or an aircraft or any other similar object. Using the Indian national flag as a covering for a building, or intentionally displaying the Indian national flag with the saffron down. Prevention of singing of Indian national anthem, etc. Whoever intentionally prevents the singing of the Indian national anthem or causes disturbance to any assembly engaged in such singing shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. Enhanced penalty on second and subsequent convictions. Whoever having already been convicted of an offence under the Section 2 or Section 3 is again convicted of any such offence shall be punishable for the second and for every subsequent offence with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 year. In this video, we have discussed about the prevention of insults to National Honor Act 1971. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.